你们好，你们都好吗？欢迎来到我的课堂，我是 Love It，中文名字是爱人。你怎么问某人他来自哪个国家，以及说你来自哪个国家？How do you ask someone which country he is from, as well as say which country you are from, is what we are going to be doing today. We have been doing short Chinese dialogues, and we started with how to start a conversation. You know, the hello, how are you, I am fine, and the rest. And then we moved on to presentation introduction. In presentation introduction, what we are going to be doing is we'll be learning all the vocabularies and grammar needed to introduce ourselves, like your name, what you do, where you're from, your marital status, your hobby, everything you need to know to be able to introduce yourself is what we'll be doing in introduction presentation. We have learned how to say your name and how to ask for somebody's name. So today we are learning how to say which country are you from, as well as answer for yourself. I am from so country. So we'll be going to the board, but before we go to the board, I want to correct something. I always say 现在我们看黑板. Now, that is what you have in your textbook, the course material I sent to the group. What you have there is 看黑板. Now, 黑板 means blackboard. 黑 is black. 板 is board. I use a whiteboard, and I always say, let's look at the blackboard. I say 黑板 because I want to keep saying it until you master it, until it registers in your head. But please, 黑板 is blackboard. 白板 is whiteboard. What I use is 白板. So what I'm going to be doing now is I am only going to be saying 板. I will not say 黑板. I will not also say 白板. So when I say 现在我们看板, what I am saying is, now let us look at the board. Do you get it? 好，现在我们上课，我们看板。Here is our board now. Which country are you from? How to ask the question in Chinese is 你是哪国人?你是哪国人? We already know 你, and I said you can say 您. You can add n here and make it 您. 您 is just formal. It makes it formal. 你 is you. 是 is to be. We looked at this in our last lesson. It means to be. It's a verb. Na is which, like this. Which country are you from? So this is which. This is 我. This is country. 我 means country. Ren means person. It means person. It means people. You are asking you are. 是 is are. 是 is. When you're saying he is, this she is. When you say you are, this she is are. When you say I am, this she is am. In English, you will have are, is, am. But in Chinese, it's just 是. 你是哪国人? 你 is you. 是 is to be. 哪 is which. 国 is country. Ren is person or people. So what you are asking is, you are which country person? I just translated it literally because I want you to have an idea what this is. When you know the meaning of the words, you'll be able to understand the sentence. This question means, which country are you from? We are going to write it in Hanzi. We are going to write the characters together. Ni, this is ni. We have written ni many times. Ni. We have written ni many times. So we should have mastered ni now. Ni shi. Shi. I hope this is slow enough. Na. See how to write na. You write this. Then you do like this. Did you see that? Then this, and this. And then you do this radical that looks like 3. Did you see it? and come down. This is na. Let's write guo. When you want to write guo, you open this box. Go like this. Go like this. Are you looking at me? Go like this, like this. Put dots here. And then close the box. This is guo. Ren is very, very easy to write. You go like this, and then like this, and that's ren. You are done. Ni shi na guo ren. Which country are you from? The answer is 我是. Okay, what I wrote there is Nigeria, but I wrote Nigeria in Chinese, and that's 尼日利亚. All the countries in this world, the Chinese have names for them. I'm just going to write out a few and tell you what the Chinese call them. So Nigeria is 尼日利亚. So what I wrote here is 我是尼日利亚人, and it means I am a Nigerian or I am Nigerian, as you can see there in the English translation. So we will write this in Hanzi. We have written war many times. Let's write it again. Are you following? Are you following? Are you following? 我是是尼日利亚. This is how to write ni. Are you looking at me? Ni r li. I hope I am slow enough. Li. Ya looks like what we have in 作业. As you can see. Does it not look like it? This is ya, and ren is the same ren we have here. Very, very easy to write. Ren, and we are done. 我是尼日利亚人. When they are saying this, it actually sounds like 尼日利亚, because I don't hear them saying this third tone when they say it. When it is spelled, there is the falling and rising tone on the A, but when they are saying it, it sounds like there is the falling tone on the A. What I hear when they say it is 尼日利亚, not 尼日利亚. 我是尼日利亚人. I want you to copy this. I want to see it in your notes. What I will do now is tell us the names of some popular countries in Chinese. You know what the Chinese call those countries. Maybe 10 for now. Okay, so here is a list of 10 countries and how the Chinese say it. I don't want us to do too much, so I did not write the characters. We are going to be writing the characters whenever we meet them in a text or whenever we use them to make a sentence. So I have here America, England, Brazil, Canada, China, Turkey, Spain, France, Morocco, and Mali. I did not put Nigeria because we have already learned how to say Nigeria in Chinese and how to write Nigeria in Pinyin and Hanzi. Here we have America. The Chinese say 美国. So if you want to say I am an American, you will say 我是美国人. Number 2 is England. The Chinese say 英国. So if you want to say I am English, you will say 我是英国人. Number 3 is Brazil. They say 巴西. So 我是巴西人. I am a Brazilian. Number 4 is Canada, and how the Chinese say it is 加拿大. Do you remember 加拿大? We used it when we were doing trisyllabic words, when we were practicing tones. I told you that the words we used to practice tones all have meanings. They are actual words. I didn't just put the letters together. And that we're going to learn all of them when the time comes. So here is Canada. Canada. Of course, there must be China there. We're learning Chinese. It is supposed to be number 1. So China is 中国. That is how to say China. 中国. Number 6 is Turkey, and they say 土耳其. Spain is 西班牙. 西班牙. France is 法国. 法国. 我是法国人. Morocco is 摩洛哥. 摩洛哥. Rising tone, falling tone, and flat tone. 摩洛哥. Number 10, the last one is Mali, and they say Mali, Mali. All the countries, all the 100 and something countries we have in the world, the Chinese have names for all of them. Of course, we can't know all of them in one day. I still don't know all of them. So we're going to be learning them little by little. This is where we will stop for today. You already have first assignment, which is to write that note, the note I had on the board before this one. So you're going to write this one too. Write this one. See how I want you to write it. I want you to say, number 1, 我是美国人. That's I am an American. Number 2, 我是英国人. I am English. Number 3, 我是巴西人. 我是加拿大人. 我是中国人. 我是土耳其人. 我是西班牙人. 我是法国人. 我是摩洛哥人. That is what I want you to write as your second assignment. Then the third one will be an audio I will post on the group. You listen to it and repeat what you hear. Let's write our zoye here. Please note the stroke order. Note the stroke order. Some of you make videos of yourself writing it, and I see mistakes in the order. Of course, it will take time, but you will get used to it. And one of our lessons soon will be stroke order. I will tell you how to know which stroke should come before which one. And that is 下课. Let us write 下课. 下课. Like this, 下课. 再见. Let us write 再见. 再见. So this is our bus stop for today. Till our next class is 下课 and 再见.